Hello, friends. Welcome to OAVA's weekly update on money and economy. We begin with news on the global front concerning the Eurozone. Data released during the week showed that gross domestic product, that is GDP, fell by 0.1% sequentially for the quarter of July to September 2023 as compared to previous quarter. According to a Reuters poll, GDP is expected to increase only by 0.6% in 2024 in the Eurozone due to lower overseas demand, high inflation, and policymakers keeping rates at record highs. And the European Commission now puts the bloc's potential growth at less than 1.5%, shrinking to 1.2% by 2027, mainly due to demographic shifts and weak efficiency gains. European Union governments are meanwhile struggling to reach consensus on bigger questions that will help shape the future. These include what role migration should play in alleviating labor shortages, whether to form a true banking union, and if they should use centralized spending to tackle issues across the 27-nation bloc. Moving on to news on the domestic front, India's trade deficit reached an all-time high of $31.46 billion for the month of October 2023 as per data released recently. Growth in India's imports far outstripped the growth in exports, recording $65.03 billion. Of this, gold imports rose by 95% to $7.2 billion. This is partly accounted for by the festival gold rush as per analysts. Other key items accounting for the sharp increase are oil and silver imports. Analysts expect that as festive demand wanes off, the trade deficit may normalize to lower levels in the coming months. Moving on to news on IPOs. In 2023 so far, small and medium enterprises, also known as SMEs, have seen an impressive surge in IPOs. 147 SME IPOs have been introduced to the market, breaking the previous record of 141 set in 2018 as per Prime database. The amount raised is a total of Rs 3,727 crores. According to IPO portal chittorgarh.com, nearly 75% of SME issues this year have been listed at a premium to their issue price, of which around 20 have more than doubled in value on the listing day itself. The record gains and good performance is expected to increase retail investor enthusiasm for such stocks. However, investors must tread with caution in the SME space as there may be inadequate disclosures and lower liquidity considering that SMEs trade on a different platform from the main one and has different set of rules. Finally, we end with news on India's startup space. This year, after Zepto, Incred Finance becomes the second unicorn after having raised Rs 500 crore in its Series D round of funding. This round of funding values Incred Finance at Rs 8,800 crore, and the investors include a global private equity fund, corporate treasuries, family offices, and ultra-high net worth individuals. Incred said it plans to use the funds raised across its core business verticals, which comprise of consumer loans, student loans, and MSME loans. Incred is a tech-enabled lending platform which offers online and offline loans to consumers, small businesses, and for education, and their loan book totals Rs 7,500 crore. That's it for this week from us. Please click like, share our content if you found it useful, and do visit our website www.oava.in for information on our courses. See you next week.